Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome back to Savinus Maths Plus. See, this year I think you are lucky, you are fortunate because CBSE has decided to delete about 15 or more topics from your 10th standard mathematics syllabus. See, actually, if possible, just try to study all the topics. Then it will be highly helpful for your higher studies and for your entrance examinations. See, today let us try to understand the topics which have been deleted from each and every chapter. Chapter number 1, real numbers, Euclid's division lemma, that is exercise 1.1 on page number 7 and related examples. Chapter 2, polynomials, division algorithm of polynomials, that is exercise 2.3 on page 36 and related examples. Chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, cross multiplication method on page 57, that is exercise 3.5, questions first and third. Chapter 4, quadratic equations, situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations, that is word problems related to boats, streams, trains, etc. Chapter 5, arithmetic progression, page numbers 113 and 114, questions 15 to 20 are deleted. Chapter 6, triangles, theorem 6.6 on page 141 and theorem 6.9 on page 146 and problems related to these theorems, that is exercise 6.4 and some portions of exercise 6.5. Chapter 7, coordinate geometry, area of triangle, that is exercise 7.3 and examples on pages 168 to 170. Chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry, where ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, that is exercise 8.3 on pages 189 and 190. Then chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. So in that chapter there is no deletion. Chapter 10, circles, see no deletion in this chapter also. Then chapter 11, constructions, construction of triangles similar to given triangles, that is on page number 220, questions from 2 to 7. Chapter 12, areas related to circles, problems on central angle 120 degree, that is page 228 example 3 and page 230 question number 7. Then chapter 13, surface area and volume, frustum of a cone, that is exercise 13.4 on page number 257. Then chapter 4, statistics, mean by step deviation method, also graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution, that is some parts of exercise 14.3 and exercise 14.4 on page 293. In the chapter probability, there is no deletion. See students, once again I am saying that if possible better try to study all the topics, then it will be very useful for your higher studies and for your entrance examinations. Okay, bye.